In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom header for your Wix website. To get started, log into your Wix account and head to your dashboard. From there, click Edit Site to open your website in the Wix editor. Once the editor loads, move your cursor to the very top area of the page. When the header section becomes highlighted, click the orange header box. This is where you'll control the look and behavior of the top section of your site, which is one of the first things visitors notice. Next, click the Change Header Design button. Wix gives you the option to choose from preset header styles if you want a quick starting point. Or you can click Customize Design for more control. Inside the design settings, choose the fill color and opacity that best match your brand. If you want a cleaner or more polished look, you can also add a top or bottom border. Then, adjust the corners and shadows to give your header either a softer, modern appearance or a sharper, more minimal style. These small visual changes can make a big difference in how professional your website feels. Now it's time to integrate your brand elements. On the left side of the editor, click the plus icon for Add Elements. Select Image and upload your business logo. Once it's uploaded, drag the logo into the header section and position it where it looks balanced and easy to see. After that, click the link icon on the logo and set it to redirect to your home page. This is a simple but important usability feature because many visitors expect to click the logo to return to the main page. Next, set up the navigation menu. Click Add Elements again, choose Menu and Anchor, and select a layout that fits your site style. Drag the menu container into your header. Then use Manage Menu to arrange your page tabs in the order you want. You can also adjust the font, typography, and hover states so the menu is easy to read and visually consistent with the rest of your branding. After that, configure the scroll behavior for your header. Click the three dots and select Change Scroll Settings. Here, choose how the header behaves when someone scrolls through your site. Freeze keeps it fixed at the top, Scroll with Sight lets it move away with the page, and Disappear or Fade Out hides it smoothly once scrolling begins. Pick the option that best supports the browsing experience you want. Finally, click the Switch to Mobile icon at the top of the editor. Resize your header elements so they fit narrower screens properly. If your desktop text menu feels too wide on mobile, replace it with a compact hamburger menu icon instead. Once everything looks good, click Publish. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.